At 72 years old, Michael felt like his body had betrayed him. No energy for his grandchildren, no spark with his wife of 50 years. Doctors told him it was just part of getting older. But 6 months later, Michael was hiking mountains, dancing with his wife, and feeling more alive than he had in decades. What changed everything? For simple foods from his local grocery store. I'm Dr. Roberts, and for the past 25 years, I've been studying why some people thrive after 60 while others just survive. What I discovered will shock you. The difference isn't genetics, expensive treatments, or luck. It's for everyday superfoods that can literally reverse the aging process in your blood vessels and restore the vitality you thought was gone forever. These aren't exotic supplements or miracle pills. They're foods sitting in your grocery store, right now, waiting to transform your circulation, energy, and intimate life. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly what they are and how they work. But here's what makes this truly exciting. One of these foods is something 90% of people actively avoid because they think it's unhealthy, when it's actually one of nature's most powerful anti-aging weapons. If you're tired of feeling tired, if you want to reclaim the energy and passion of your younger years, stay with me. What you're about to discover could add not just years to your life, but life to your years. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now. YouTube only shows this life-changing content to people when they see engagement. So by subscribing, you're helping other people over 60 discover these secrets too. And drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I personally read every comment and love connecting with viewers worldwide. Are you in sunny Florida, the mountains of Colorado, maybe across the ocean in Australia? Let me know. You see, as we mature, our blood vessels naturally become less flexible. This reduces blood flow to vital organs, including your heart, brain, and yes, your intimate areas. But here's the exciting part. This process isn't irreversible. With the right nutrients, you can actually restore vascular flexibility and improve circulation throughout your entire body. The foods I'm about to share contain specific compounds that act like tiny mechanics, working to repair and rejuvenate your circulatory system from the inside out. They're nature's own anti-aging pharmacy, and they've been waiting in plain sight all along. And here's something that might shock you. The fourth food on this list is something 90% of people avoid because they think it's bad for them, but it's actually one of the most powerful circulation boosters on the planet. I'll reveal what it is in just a few minutes, so make sure you stick around. Let's start with something that might surprise you: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. That guilty pleasure you've been avoiding might actually be the key to unlocking your vitality. But we're not talking about the sugar-laden milk chocolate from the candy aisle. I'm talking about real dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. This isn't just a treat. It's a powerful medicine that's been hiding in your desert drawer. Dark chocolate contains compounds called flavonoids, particularly one called epicatechin. These natural chemicals work like tiny keys, unlocking the production of nitric oxide. In your blood vessels, nitric oxide is like nature's own circulation booster, causing blood vessels to relax and expand, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow throughout your body. For men, this improved circulation can lead to stronger, more reliable performance in intimate moments. The increased blood flow doesn't just help with physical function, it enhances sensation and confidence. For women, dark chocolate's circulation-boosting properties can improve sensitivity and comfort during intimacy, while its natural mood-enhancing compounds help reduce stress and increase desire. But here's what makes dark chocolate truly special. It also triggers the release of endorphins and serotonin, the same chemicals your brain produces when you're falling in love. That's why a small piece of quality dark chocolate can literally make you feel younger and more alive. I recommend just 1 or 2 squares of 70% dark chocolate daily, preferably in the afternoon when your energy naturally dips. It's enough to activate these powerful pathways without overdoing the calories now. If you found this first superfood surprising, wait until you hear about the second one. It's a fruit that most people only eat in the summer, but when you learn what it can do for your circulation and vitality, you'll want to find ways to enjoy it year-round. Keep watching to discover this hidden gem. Now, let me tell you about a fruit that most people see as just a summer snack. But science has proven to be one of nature's most powerful circulation enhancers: watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which your body converts into arginine and then into nitric oxide. It's like a natural production line for better blood flow. In fact, some studies have shown that watermelon can have effects similar to certain prescription medications, but without any side effects. What makes watermelon particularly powerful is that it's about 90% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. Proper hydration is crucial for healthy circulation, especially as we age and our thirst sensation diminishes. When you're well hydrated, your blood flows more easily, reducing strain on your heart and improving delivery of nutrients and oxygen to every cell in your body. For mature adults, this translates to increased energy, better mental clarity, and, yes, improved intimate function. The citrulline in watermelon has been shown to help with erectile function in men and increase arousal and satisfaction in women. I suggest having a cup of fresh watermelon daily, preferably in the morning or as a pre-workout snack. The natural sugars provide quick energy, while the citrulline works its magic on your circulation throughout the day. But we're not done yet, and this is where it gets really exciting. The next superfood has been called nature's multivitamin and has powers that go far beyond just circulation. It's something that could literally add years to your life while making you feel decades younger. You won't want to miss this one. The third superfood on our list has been revered for thousands of years as a symbol of fertility and vitality. And now, modern science understands exactly why pomegranates are absolutely packed with antioxidants, containing more than almost any other fruit. These antioxidants, particularly punicologens and anthocyanins, work to protect and repair your blood vessels while reducing inflammation throughout your body. But what makes pomegranate truly special for mature adults is its ability to increase nitric oxide production, while simultaneously protecting the nitric oxide you already have from being broken down by free radicals. It's like having both a builder and a protector working for your circulation. Clinical studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice regularly can improve blood flow by up to 17% in just 2 weeks. For men, this often translates to improved erectile function and stamina. For women, it can mean increased comfort and sensitivity during intimate moments. Pomegranate also supports overall cardiovascular health, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of arterial plaque buildup. This isn't just about intimacy, it's about protecting your heart and brain for the long term. Fresh pomegranate seeds are ideal, but if you choose juice, make sure it's 100% pure with no added sugars. About half a cup of seeds or 4 ounces of juice daily can provide these remarkable benefits. Part 2. Superfood for avocado, the hormone harmonizera. Final superfood might already be in your kitchen, the humble avocado. While most people think of avocados as just a trendy toast topping, they're actually one of the most powerful foods for maintaining healthy hormone levels and circulation as we age. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. But what makes them truly special for mature adults is their high content of vitamin E, potassium, and folate. Vitamin E is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing oxidative damage that can impair circulation. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, ensuring that your cardiovascular system doesn't have to work overtime. Folate supports the production of nitric oxide and helps maintain healthy nerve function. For men, the healthy fats in avocados support testosterone production, while the improved circulation can enhance performance and stamina. For women, avocados can help balance hormones naturally, potentially easing some of the circulation and energy challenges that come with hormonal changes. But here's something most people don't know. Avocados also contain compounds that help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. This means that when you eat an avocado with other nutrient-rich foods, you're actually amplifying their benefits. I recommend half an avocado daily, either in the morning with breakfast or as part of a lunch salad. The healthy fats will keep you satisfied while the circulation-boosting compounds work their magic. Throughout the day now, if you're still watching, and I really hope you are, because what comes next is the most important part, I'm going to share the secret combination method that multiplies the power of these foods by up to 300%. This is information that could literally transform your next decade of life. Now, here's where things get really exciting. While each of these superfoods is powerful on its own, the real magic happens when you combine them. The antioxidants in pomegranate protect the nitric oxide produced by watermelon. The healthy fats in avocado help your body absorb the flavonoids in dark chocolate. It's like creating a symphony of circulation-boosting compounds. I recommend starting with just one of these foods and adding another each week. This gives your body time to adjust and allows you to notice the individual effects of each soup. Many of my clients report feeling more energetic within the first week, with improvements in intimate function following within the first month. But food is just one part of the equation. To maximize the benefits of these superfoods, you'll want to support them with gentle, regular movement. Even a 20-minute walk daily can enhance circulation and help your body make the most of these powerful nutrients. Stress management is equally important. Chronic stress releases hormones that constrict blood vessels. Working against everything these superfoods are trying to accomplish, simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even just spending time in nature can amplify the benefits you'll experience. Sleep quality also plays a crucial role. During deep sleep, your body repairs blood vessels and produces hormones essential for vitality and intimacy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to give these superfoods the best environment to work their magic. Let me share a story that illustrates the power of these foods. Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher, came to me feeling frustrated and disconnected from her body. She and her husband had been married for 45 years, but intimacy had become infrequent and unsatisfying. For both of them, we started by adding dark chocolate and watermelon to her daily routine. Within 3 weeks, she reported feeling more energetic and positive. By the second month, after adding pomegranate and avocado, she and her husband rediscovered a closeness they thought was gone forever. But it wasn't just about intimacy. Margaret felt more vibrant in every aspect of her life. Then there's Robert, a 72-year-old grandfather who thought his days of feeling truly alive were behind him. After incorporating these 4 superfoods into his diet, he not only experienced improvements in intimate function, but also found himself with more energy to play with his grandchildren and pursue hobbies he'd abandoned. These aren't miracle cures. They're examples of what happens when we give our bodies the right nutrients to function optimally, regardless of age. And speaking of real results, I want to hear your story. If you try these superfoods, come back to this video in 30 days and leave a comment telling me what changes you've experienced. I personally read every comment, and your success story might inspire thousands of other viewers who are just starting their journey. Here's what I want you to understand. Aging doesn't have to mean declining. Yes, our bodies change as we get older, but many of the changes we accept as inevitable are actually the result of poor circulation and inadequate nutrition. When you restore proper blood flow and provide your body with the right nutrients, you can feel more alive at 70 than you did at 50. The key is consistency. These superfoods aren't magic pills that work overnight. They're powerful tools that, when used regularly, can gradually restore your body's natural vitality and function. Think of them as an investment in your future self, a daily choice to prioritize your health, energy, and happiness. So where do you start? Choose one of these 4 superfoods that appeals to you most. Maybe it's the indulgence of dark chocolate, the refreshing nature of watermelon, the antioxidant power of pomegranate, or the satisfying richness of avocado. Commit to including it in your daily routine for 1 week. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice any changes in your energy, mood, or physical sensations. Then, add a second superfood in week 2, and so on. Keep a simple journal of how you're feeling. Many people are surprised by the subtle but significant changes they experience when they start paying attention. Warmer hands and feet, clearer thinking, better sleep, increased energy, and yes, renewed interest in intimacy. And here's my challenge to you. Try this for just 30 days. Document your journey, then come back and share your results in the comments below. Tell me where you're from and what changes you've noticed. Your story could be the motivation someone else needs to start their own transformation. This isn't just about food. It's about reclaiming your right to feel good in your own body, regardless of your age. It's about understanding that vitality isn't the exclusive domain of the young, and that with the right knowledge and tools, your 60s, 70s, and beyond can be some of the most fulfilling years of your life. You've earned the right to feel good. You've worked hard, raised families, contributed to your communities, and now it's time to invest in yourself. These 4 superfoods are just the beginning of what's possible when you decide that your best days aren't behind you, but ahead of you. Conclusion: your journey starts today. We wrap up today's discussion. I want you to remember this: you are not a victim of aging. You are a person with the power to influence how you feel, how you age, and how you experience life. The 4 superfoods we've discussed today, dark chocolate, watermelon, pomegranate, and avocado, are your allies in this journey. They're not asking you to completely overhaul your life or invest in expensive treatments. They're simply asking you to make small, delicious choices that honor your body and support your vitality. Tonight, when you're planning tomorrow's meals, think about which of these superfoods you can easily incorporate. Maybe it's adding some pomegranate seeds to your morning yogurt, or enjoying a piece of dark chocolate with your afternoon tea, or including half an avocado in your salad. Whatever you choose, know that you're making a powerful statement, that you believe in your body's ability to heal, to improve, and to surprise you with its resilience. You're choosing to age with intention, grace, and vitality. Your journey to renewed energy and intimacy starts with a single bite. Make that bite count before you go. I have one final request. If this video has given you hope or valuable information, please hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Maybe it's your spouse, a friend, or a family member who's been struggling with the challenges of aging. Your share could literally change their life. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss life-changing content like this. I'm constantly researching and sharing the latest breakthroughs in healthy aging, and I don't want you to miss a single discovery that could benefit you. Finally, drop a comment below and tell me which of these 4 superfoods surprised you the most, and where are you watching from? I love connecting with viewers from around the world, whether you're in sunny California, the mountains of Colorado, bustling New York, or somewhere across the globe. Let me know, and let's build a community of people committed to aging with vitality and joy. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, it's never too late to feel amazing. Your best years are still ahead of you.